So here we are. I replaced the screws, the valve adjustment screws, with new screws from a Volkswagen parts place, and they said they're not Chinese garbage specifically. So hopefully these are better. Some of them are kind of a gold color, but I adjusted them to 6/1000 of an inch and put in new cork gasket, and I'll seal this up. And last thing is, this thing has aviation spark plugs. These are Champion 37B. I guess they're called a massive electrode spark plug. So I'm going to bring these home and clean them and adjust them before I reinstall them and put the intake back. They seem to be good spark plugs. They're just a little expensive, about $60 a piece to replace them. So I'm replacing these exhaust pipes with chrome. Let's see, we've got one here. We had this one welded up, not chrome, stainless steel. Had this one welded up for carb heat that we're building. That's sitting right there. I'll be back on to testing that as soon as we get this valve issue sorted out. New oil, and I'm still cleaning underneath the engine to make sure that the new oil plate seals up properly. This is a lot lighter than the stock steel plate, and the steel plate really, it doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look that even either. It's not perfectly machined flat. This, I'm assuming, is much more precise, being billet aluminum. So that's that. Last thing, I'm going to change the gasket on this breather. It's got just a little bit of blow-by, so switch that out, and I may, depending on the weight, we got to do weight and balance, but I bought this oil catch can that may fit in here. If it fits in the cowling, I might do it. It weighs about a pound, I think. And hook this breather up to the oil catch can to prevent all this oil blowing all over the airplane. Bottom of the airplane gets filthy.